back to my channel. So, Akhri Roza Mubarak. It's quite upsetting. But yes, on the other side, खुशी भी होती है कि Eid is already here and Eid is tomorrow and today is the last roza, last iftar. So उस बात की भी थोड़ी disappointment and sadness होती है. But inshallah we'll get it next year soon. But keeping in mind the current scenario, things are very bad and very saddening over here. It's all closed, curfew लगी हुई है तो नमाज भी नहीं होगी. But yes, वही अपने बीच, घर वालों के बीच, फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के बीच तो ईद सेलिब्रेट करेंगे ही वैसे ही. So I'll take you guys through the Eid prepping and the last iftari and all of that. So stay tuned. Herein we have iftar preps going on by my sister. She's going to make veg and non-veg tacos today, and herein I have the jalebi mix on जो मैं थोड़ी देर में बनाने वाली हूँ. So that's that. There is more. There's roti which is going to be made and some mutton or chicken, and I'll see you guys on the iftar table. Done with iftar now, and now I'm heading for the marination of the fried chicken that we are making. After that we'll bake the cakes. We are making the basic vanilla and a chocolate cake alongside a few cupcakes. After that we'll start off the rest of the items, and Amma and me always plan a tentative menu beforehand for Eid. So this year as well we have prepared a tentative menu for Eid which I'll keep quiet, which I'll show you guys in some time as to how we plan everything. So I'll quickly go and show you guys the Eid menu. That's the menu. We have starters, we have main course, we have desserts. Dessert की list काफ़ी लंबी है क्योंकि dessert सारे मैं ही खा जाने वाली हूँ. Yes, you heard that right. So that's that. अभी यहाँ से फ्राइड चिकन की तैयारी ऑलमोस्ट हो चुकी है. होल चिकन रोस्ट अभी मैं करने जा रही हूँ एंड ये दोनों बन चुके हैं. कपकेक्स भी अभी मैं बेक करने वाली हूँ, बाकी हम रात को बनाएंगे. Vanilla chocolate cupcakes. So that's that. We got done with dinner and I'm here to complete this. Then उसके बाद हम जो करते हैं I'll show you guys. Okay, bye. So I'm done with dinner and I have made the cupcakes as well. So abhi we are making jo you guys say gujia, and in Assamese we say ek narikal or pitha. So this is a year-old tradition Amma used to make when we used to be kids, and now we, my sister and me, make this every Eid. So this is very special and very nostalgic. So yeah, that's that. After completion of this, we are going to start baking the cheesecake. Oh sorry, that will be a no bake cheesecake. It's already 12 right now, so we have like 2 to 3 hours, then we have to go to sleep. सुबह जल्दी भी उठना है. So वो ये होता है गुजिया और नारिकल और पीठा, what we say. So this is basically मैदा and this has नारियल inside. मुझे अभी इनको फ्राई करना है. एक बैच ऑलरेडी मैंने फ्राई कर लिया है. This is how it looks, super crispy and super yummy inside. तो ये कपकेक्स भी अलग अलग शेप के बन चुके हैं. अभी 2 बजने वाले हैं एंड ये मैं अभी चीज़ केक बनाने की तैयारी कर रही हूँ. तो ये बना के फ्रिज में सेट करके थोड़ा सा काम है, देन हम सो जाएंगे. मीनवाइल ये बिस्किट का लेयर भी फ्रिज में सेट होने के लिए भी जाएगा. सो दैट्स दैट. ये हमारा चीज़ केक ऑलमोस्ट तैयार होने को है. अब हम इसको फ्रिज में रखेंगे फॉर ओवरनाइट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 3 राइट नाउ एंड आई एम super tired. My whole body is paining and I'm so tired. I just want to like jump into my bed. I had a few work. Muffins हो गए, चीज़ केक हो गया, बट एक और आइटम बनाना था, पर अभी I have no energy, so I'll just take a shower and go to bed, take a nap because I have to wake up early again the next morning. So बाकी का जो है वो कल बनाऊंगी. So I'll end the vlog right here because वो ईद का एक separate vlog I'll be doing. So but yeah, I was planning कि मैं ये आज रात को ही डाल दूँ, पर वो नहीं हो पाएगा because of everything you guys know very well. So that's about it. I hope you guys will like this video. Baki the final results of everything we prepared and our friends and family tasting it, who we dressing up for Eid and all of that, I'll show you guys tomorrow. वो कल का vlog में जो I'll shoot all of that for you guys whenever I can after Eid. I'll put it out for you guys. So I hope you will like this video. I know थोड़ा messy हो गया होगा कहीं जगह पर, but it was very abrupt and वो सब plan नहीं होता है तो वैसा ही होता है वो. this is the normal thing which happens. So that's that. I hope you guys had a lovely Eid Mubarak from my end. Chand Mubarak to you and your family. I hope इंशाल्लाह हम लोग को next Eid अच्छे से celebrate करने को मिलेगी. And that's about it. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video soon, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.